Hey guys, welcome back again here. Today I've got another exciting package for you guys. So we're just gonna look at this briefly together, and as usual, every information to get this is gonna be in my description below. Looking at the box, you might have an idea of what we're gonna be looking at, but if you don't, this is the Nike Zoom Field Jazz by Travis Scott. And there is a lot more to this sneaker that I expected. So today we're gonna check them out and see if it's something that you should pick up. So this is the light chocolate colorway of this model. It's got House of Heat written out here and also the symbol of a shark teeth as well by the side. And they actually play off the design of the Nike Spiridon. They are made up with mix of materials like rubber, suede, woven knit, soft leather overlays, and this really tough nylon on the tongue, which is pretty odd. The upper part is a mix of materials as well, and I think they're gonna be comfortable. This woven material happens to be the highlight if you ask me. The foam midsole is incredibly soft on foot, and the outsole consists of these separated air pods similar to a Vico Max, which is pretty interesting. It also has Cactus Corporation written underneath there, as well as airbags and all those good stuffs. We originally thought that these were gonna be called the Shakadans, which would have kind of made sense given that it has this little shark detail on the midsole. We also have this little Nike logo on the other side as well. Like I said, the sole of the sneaker is really soft and rubbery. And we also have the House of Heat written there as well. So we're just gonna put them together and look at them side by side just to make sure everything is in its rightful place and there are no errors on this one. Even though this was made freshly out of the factory, I could still see some signs of gum stains and all that, but that's nothing you can fix for getting this on an affordable price. So let's look at a close view of this as well as on foot.